Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get unsaved Excel files. First, let's talk about Excel's Auto Recover feature. This handy tool automatically saves your work every 10 minutes by default, protecting you from unexpected crashes or power outages. It's your first line of defense for retrieving lost data, ensuring you don't lose hours of effort. You can easily adjust this save interval in Excel's options. Now let's find those auto-recovered files. Start by opening a new Excel workbook. Go to the File tab, then click Open. At the very bottom of the Recent Workbooks list, you'll see a button labeled Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Click this, and Excel will open a folder containing your automatically saved temporary files. Look for the most recent version of your lost spreadsheet there. If Auto Recover doesn't immediately yield results, don't worry. You can also search your computer for temporary Excel files. Look for files with extensions like XLB or TMP in your system's temporary folders. These files are often hidden, so ensure you have Show Hidden Files enabled. Sorting them by date modified can help you quickly pinpoint the most recent version of your unsaved work. Finally, if Excel crashed, you might be in luck when you reopen the application. Excel often displays a document recovery pane on the left side of your screen. This pane lists all files that were open and unsaved when the program unexpectedly closed. Carefully review the listed files, select the most recent version of your spreadsheet, and click to restore it. This is often the easiest recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.